Hey, it's Kate with WTI.
I have to share this incredible find. These are outdoor speakers from ANERIMST. Now, there's a lot of things I love about them. First of all, they are adorable. They function as like little light torches outside. They flicker, or you can have them a solid color. They add a beautiful look to your outdoor space. They come with different ways to mount them, so you can stake it right into the ground if you want, or you can attach it to a surface. They unscrew so that you can charge them indoors and then take them back outside. So obviously, since they are designed for the outdoors, they are weather resistant, which is awesome. There are two of them. They connect to your device via Bluetooth, and then you have awesome sound for outside. We've been really pleased with the sound quality, with how loud they get, perfect for our patio space to be able to play music. Unfortunately, because of restrictions, I can't play a music sample for you, but just know that they do have fantastic sound. Super easy to use, no issues with connectivity. We've always been able to connect to multiple devices without any trouble. So if you're wanting to have speakers outside that you don't have to worry about, that will look great, that will even provide lighting if you want, then this is what you'll find with these.
And that's my point of view.